Hello everyone. In our previous videos, we have seen how to create a SaaS subscription. We created a subscription for CRM. And then for that subscription, we created a template database and installed the CRM module. And we confirm the subscription. In this video, we're going to look at how that subscription, the CRM subscription, we created, can be sold. So there are two ways you can sell a subscription. One is the direct sell and other is the online sell. In this video, we focus on the direct sell. In the direct sale, you are going to reach your customer, you're going to explain them the subscription model and what that subscription is all about, what are the different modules, what are the storage requirement or storage constraints, or number of users, pricing, all those details. And once your customer is convinced, then you are going to create the subscription for your customer on the customer's behalf. The second way you can sell your subscription is the same service way in which you will make your subscription available on your website. And then your customers can go to your website, select the subscription and then purchase the subscription themselves. These are the two ways you can sell your subscription plan. In this video, we are going to focus on the direct sale. So let's see what are the steps. If I expand the direct sale, these are the steps. First, you need to create the customer. As I said, you need to create one user representing your customer, you need to subscribe your customer to the plan. In our case, we are going to subscribe the customer to our CRM plan. Simultaneously, when you create a customer will get notified via email about the subscription. And then customer can sign up, create his credentials for login. And after the customer sign up, and you subscribe customer to subscription plan, customer can log into the subscription. Let's see how it is going to work. So first of all, you need to create the customer. For that, you can go to the plan CRM plan, open the plan. And here itself, you can create the client. You can click on create client. And if you remember, in our previous video, when we created the plan, we mentioned the format for the database for the customers, we mentioned something like customer-%I. This is our first customer, by default, this is the name it will take. If you want, you can change this name, you can override this one. I will call this first customer. Whether this is a trial or not, you can mention that. And then you need to mention which user this subscription plan is for, in that case, the customer is your user. Now we don't have the customer created. We can go and create the customer over here. Here you can go and create the customer. I will provide customer details like name, email, ID and so on and click on save. So once you create a new user over here, behind the scene, a new user will be created. If you go to settings, let me open another window here. And if I go to settings and users, you will see the user is being created for your customer. And notification will be sent to your customer. But what happens is sometimes when you create this user from this option of the plans, the customer gets created as your employee. You don't want the customer to be your employee. So you can go and edit this customer and remove all this privileges which comes by default. And then you can click on save. Next, come back to our plan and click on create client, and now our first customer is being created. And also there will be a database created for our first customer with the name first customer, the data this is created on server 1. So if you want to see the database, you can click on a server 1. And here you will see previously there wasn't an entry for any of the databases, but now you will see one entry for our first customer. And it has default values for customer count, file storage, and database storage, and so on. So here your customer is created. Now if I go back to the clients, in the clients also you will see the first customer. So this is how you're going to create the customer, and if you want to see you can also log into the customer subscription, first customer subscription. And here you see the URL says firstcustomer.sellodoo.com/web. So this URL is configured based on the database name you provided for the customer. When you created the customer from the plan, the database name you mentioned was first customer. That's why the URL for the customer is firstcustomer.sellodoo.com. This subdomain is configurable. And you can change the names by yourself, or customers also have the capability to change the domain name. This is how you're going to create a subscription for the customer. And this will be the link to which the customer will log in. Customer will get notified and he will have the link, and through that link he can then log in into his or her subscription. This is how you can sell your subscription through the direct sell, in which you need to create the user yourself. User will get notified, and then you need to configure the user account by removing all the privileges for the customer. And one more thing, when you log into the customer subscription, you will see CRM over here. So by default, you will see the CRM module. Why CRM module is coming for first customer is because this subscription is based on our CRM plan. That CRM plan is based on CRM plan template. And in this template DB, we logged in and we had installed CRM, and that's why you will see CRM for this particular customer. To revise, in this video, we have seen the direct sell method of subscribing customer to subscription plan. Thanks for watching.